If you're excited about upgrading to Windows 11 but running into problems, you're not alone. With the Windows 10 support ending in 2025, now is the perfect opportunity to switch. However, the upgrade process isn't always straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the most common reasons why your PC may not be eligible for Windows 11 and provide step-by-step solutions to fix them. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. So now let's jump right in. First, the question that rises in mind is, why can't you upgrade to Windows 11? So before we go into the fixes, let's look at some common reasons why your PC might not be able to upgrade. And then we have hardware incompatibility. Your processor might be outdated, or you could have insufficient storage. Software or driver conflicts, outdated drivers or incompatible applications could be blocking the installation. Windows update issues, sometimes the upgrade doesn't appear due to a system glitch. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix each of these problems step by step. So Microsoft has specific minimum requirements for Windows 11 compatibility. Here's what you need to check. Check your PC specs. So for that, you can right-click the Windows Start button, select Settings, then you're going to select System, then you're going to select About, and this will display your processor, RAM, and hardware details. So if your PC runs Windows 10, use the PC Health Check app, download and run it, and then click Check Now. A pop-up window will display the results, letting you know if your PC is eligible for Windows 11. So if you're still facing errors or unable to upgrade, don't worry, there is an easier method to try. For DEIG Partition Manager is a trusted partition management tool that can check if your PC is eligible for Windows 11 for free, bypass Windows 11 restrictions with just one click, clone your hard drive for backup purposes, or upgrade to a larger storage drive without losing data. So the question is how to upgrade using ForwardDig. Launch ForwardDig Partition Manager on your PC, select Windows Download and Upgrade from the sidebar, click Windows 11 Upgrade, press Detect and Upgrade. The tool will analyze your system and display any issues. Then click Next and ForwardDig will help bypass common upgrade restrictions. Then choose your preferred language and click Start. This simple process makes it easier to upgrade to Windows 11 hassle-free, so give it a shot. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.